Morning traders, it's Tuyun Arpan here, founder of Master Markets, Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today we are looking at the morning glory trade, okay? Now according to our buyers on the higher time frame where we usually take it from, we do not have a trade position. We do not have a trade position because the higher time frame yesterday was an insider bar within an insider bar. So in cases like that, we usually would not take that according to Morning Glory because it's totally a different parameter rules to taking this insider bar trade strategies. Okay, totally different strategy entry points and objectives. So in the line of that, we don't usually take that. But however, in the morning, we did observe a very big spike up with this bar over here. But of course, just based on that, you just can't jump on to the trade, and it's taken out previous day's high as well. Okay, there's usually a larger percentage probability that once it's taken out its previous day's high, that its bigger range from the open will be to the upside in this case. Okay, right now in terms of that, however, we can't just jump into this trade just because we had that, because our trade risk was higher than normal. Our maximum trade risk that we usually take is only about 40 pips, and since this was more than that, we didn't take this particular trade, and because of all other factors as well. And as you can see, what happened after that, there was a big reversal over here, where now it's taken out its intraday range as well. Okay, so that's what we are looking at now. We also have to be wary of the FOMC report coming up later on in the evening. Okay, I'm just going to show that to you now in Forex Factory. As you can see over here, you can see that the FOMC is out due on 7 p.m. today on the 14th of June. Alright, and there's also other news coming up on the dollar as well at 1:30. Okay, right, so in terms of that, what we are seeing now, the first thing what I do want to say is on the topic of patience is key. Patience is key. The first thing is, traders, the first thing is when the trade does not meet your entry rules, when the trade does not meet your pre-entry rules, do not enter. Do not enter, okay? And you must have patience. You must have real good patience on the days when it's going to run and fit according to your rules and stacks the probabilities to your side. 2 days ago on Monday, yes, we had a very fantastic system trade, right? Went all the way towards this target, gaining us 85 pips of profit. Okay, so these are the days that we won, and on other days when it does this, we want to stay out of the market so that we don't take a loss and keep our losses small. So do not enter. That's the first thing on patience is key. Do not enter the trade if it does not meet your entry rules. And second thing what I did want to show you all is based on our smart money trades. It's based on our smart money trades. As you can see over here, in our account over here, we are basically currently on 3 positions. We're currently on 3 positions. Dollar yen, we're on a long. Euro dollar, we're on a long. Dollar Swiss, we're on a short over here. Now, in terms of that, it has taken quite a while. In fact, on dollar yen, you can see we entered on the 8th of June, and today is the 14th. We've been holding on to this trade for quite a while, and then the 12th of June, this was like just 2 days ago where we entered the particular trade. So now, as you can see over here, patience is key, traders. You cannot force the market to move because you are not having that large capital power to move the market. Okay, you don't have 100 million or 2 billion to move the market as much as institutions and banks do have. So based on that, since we are like a fly on an elephant back, we must have patience, especially when the market starts to consolidate. Okay, we got to be very careful. So in terms of trailing your stop loss, once you're in this kind of trades, you have to be very patient and trail your stop loss accordingly to your rules and importantly to the concept of momentum. As long as the market shows you momentum, you move forward with it, okay, and trail your stop loss and minimize your losses. The second thing what you do need to know in terms of patience is key. The first one is do not enter, right, on even the intraday basis or the end of day basis. Mainly more through intraday because emotions kick in. The trail stop loss accordingly is your second thing on patience is key. And the third thing what I must say is give it some time. Give it some time to get to its target level. At this point over here, our target level on dollar yen is at 110, 112.20. 112.20. You have to give it some time, let it accumulate, and let it then move forward. Alright? So these things are key. So the third one is give it time. Okay, give it time. These are the three things I would like to mention on patience is key. First thing is do not enter. Second thing is trail your stop loss accordingly. Be patient. Do not aggressively go and trail it just because you really badly want to minimize your stop loss. Follow the flow of the market. And the third thing is basically give it time. Give it time to move to its target. Okay. We'll definitely be doing a video for you as well as how these trades progress and how smart money performs in the days to come and for this towards the end of the week as well. And for those of you guys who are more than enthusiastic because of all the response you've been giving us and all the emails and all the replies you've been giving us as well, for those of you really enthusiastic about meeting us live, you can come and meet us tomorrow on the London Property Show. We're going to be exhibiting there. As a lot of people who are in property, because they want a second stream of income, they're also very interested in trading. So we'll be there. We're talking about similar stats like this and on why we actually enter the market as such, the reasons for it, and how you can also learn how to gain a competitive edge in this market and add an additional income to your property portfolio as well, okay, because property and trading are very complementary. So more of that tomorrow live in the London Landlord Show, okay, in Kensington Olympia. Alright, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video. We will be keep on updating you as how the trade progresses. And as we say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.